Hello again guys, welcome to this video. So in this quick video, I want to show you a technique that I've been using with my trading robots. Now, this is going to be a really quick short video. It's not a YouTube short. This is actually a proper full 4K video. Okay, so the technique that I've been using with my new technique of trading a robot is I'm using a fixed lot trading style. Now, not only am I using a fixed lot trading style, I'm also using a fixed lot trading style on gold with a set file that I've generated and created. Now, I'm actually using an EA that I'm keeping a little bit low-key because I don't want everyone to be jumping on this EA and my set files. But if you want to get this kind of results, trading gold, message me privately and I'll show you exactly how. Now, I'll actually set this up for you if you're willing to get this EA. Now, of course, my time is precious to me, so I'm not gonna do it for free, but I will offer you a chance to get this kind of trading robot at a really high discount. Because if you're really willing and motivated to get your EA trading going, message me and I'll help you out anytime. Now, let me just jump into the results that we've been getting. So as you can see here, we're trading 50k profit challenge where I'm testing this on Traders with Edge. As you can see, we've been winning trades on trades, and we've been doing some really good numbers even when the market has been swinging like crazy. Now, another thing as well is you might think, okay, are these results a fluke? Now, I've actually hooked this up to 2 FTMA trials to show you that these results are not a fluke. This EA will keep killing it and trading gold like crazy. Now, if you're part of my private group or you've known me privately, you'd know what this EA is. But if you want this EA on top of a combination of other EAs that I have to trade indices, message me and I'll show you exactly how this works, and I'll set this up for you immediately. See ya.